Let's look at an example of an understanding the speaker's attitude question. It reads, what is the professor's attitude toward recycling? These questions test whether you understand a speaker's attitude or opinion. This could be related to their feelings expressed, their likes or dislikes, or the reason for their point of view. Next, let's look at an example of an understanding the function of what is said question. You should note that this is one of the question types where you might be given a short audio clip to listen to before answering the question. Let's play the audio clip.
Let me tell you a quick story about a worker named Samuel who lived in Manchester during this period. Samuel's life shows just how drastically people's daily routines were changed by new factory systems.
These questions test your ability to interpret the purpose or function of specific statements within the context of a conversation or lecture. These questions are subtle and require you to understand the speaker's intent beyond the literal meaning of the words. Are you taking the TOEFL iBT soon? Then I invite you to take our course, Unlock the TOEFL iBT Mastering the Test Online Preparation course. It's a fully online, self-paced course that comprehensively prepares you for every section of the TOEFL iBT. It has engaging readings, expert video lessons, interactive quizzes, proven strategies, hundreds of practice questions, 2 full-length online practice tests, and individualized feedback. With this course, you'll have everything you need to ace the TOEFL iBT. For more information, the link to the course page is in the description below. The video you just watched is a small segment from a larger lesson in our TOEFL iBT series. For more help with TOEFL preparation, I encourage you to check out the full video and the rest of the series. Links are in the description below. You can also get a free PDF of the full lesson, which includes all of the key points from this lesson, a quiz, and extra free resources to help boost your preparation. Just click the link in the description below, enter your email, and you'll immediately receive the PDF. As always, until next time, students, keep exploring, keep learning, and let the world be your classroom.